How to scale your passive income ventures. Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to scale your passive income ventures. If you're tired of trading time for money and want to build a sustainable stream of income, then this video is for you. The first step to scaling your passive income ventures is to diversify your streams of income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different avenues such as affiliate marketing, rental properties, or creating digital products. Once you have multiple streams of income, it's important to optimize and automate them. This could mean outsourcing tasks, using technology to streamline processes, or investing in tools that can help you manage your ventures more efficiently. Another key factor in scaling your passive income is to reinvest your profits. Instead of spending all your earnings, consider reinvesting them into your ventures to help them grow even further. Lastly, don't forget to continuously educate yourself and stay updated with the latest trends in the passive income space. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to scale your ventures successfully. And there you have it. Scaling your passive income ventures is possible with the right strategies and mindset. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and financial freedom. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.